Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can extract text from full text PDF. I mean the PDF which is searchable or editable or highlighted. Can be highlighted, not the scanned PDF. Okay, so I'll show you one of full text PDF, which is my CV. I can open up here. As you can see, this is searchable or editable PDF. As I can highlight the text, it is quite almost different with this, which cannot be highlighted. This is scanned PDF. Okay, so we are going to use the tool called the Noel or Sierra, which is supporting in only Linux operating system. The module present in Noel or Sierra support only Linux operating system. I think they will release they will add the module which is support in Windows operating system in their next release. I mean the beta version. So before we use Noel or Sierra, I would like to open up the terminal, install it. Okay, by pip3 install Noel or Sierra. Alright, as you can see, the requirements are satisfied. So let's go on and use the tool. So I would like to import Noel or Sierra, okay, as nm. Then after text is equal to nm dot process pdf. Then I put a bracket. Then inside the single quote, I pass in the name of PDF, which is cv.pdf. Okay. In short, this CV has almost it has almost about 80 pages. Okay. So that's it. So once we print text, we should be able to see the text extracted from the full text PDF, which is cv.pdf. Okay, so once I go print text, okay, you can see these are the text extracted from the PDF, and here you can see Noel Moses Mwadende publication, Pandas tool for data scientist. Let me open up my CV here and go to the, okay, you can see here Noel Moses Mwadende publication, okay, tool, Pandas tool for data scientist. Then once I come here, you can see Pandas tool for data scientist. So it is able to extract text from full text PDF. So that is all about how to use the Noel or Sierra, okay, Python library to extract text from full text PDF. What is your experience when it comes to full text extraction? When it comes to text extraction from full text PDF, which library do you use? On my case, I use the PyPDF2. Okay, that's the Python library for text extraction for full text PDF. I also use, back in the days I was using PDF Miner, but now I use Noel or Sierra because it's more flexible tool. It can extract the full text PDF, but at the same time it can extract the text from scanned PDF. So the flexibility of the tool, it wins the vote for me, and currently I'm using the library called Noel or Sierra. So put the comment below and let me know your experience. If you find out this video is useful for you, don't hesitate to like and comment and share it to your colleague. To get some update of more amazing video like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn all notification. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next tutorials.